Hi, welcome to Basic Chemistry. Today I am just going to talk about top 5 chapter you must read if you are a chemist from Claren. So this is very interesting topic and these 5 chapter are highly recommended for any MSc entrance or PSU entrance from organic purpose. Okay, so I am talking from my experience. Now let's start. There is too many chapter. I am not telling you to skip any chapter among them, but you have to read those chapter with special focus and just you have to make short note on those chapter. So let's start with the first chapter. The first chapter is sulfur, silicon and phosphorus in organic chemistry. This is a very important chapter. Now if we go to the chapter, we can see in this chapter you have to go through line by line. So to know the sulfur silicon chemistry. This is very interesting chemistry because sulfur chemistry are helpful for forming epoxide type reaction and silicon chemistry is very important. You have heard about that Peterson reaction, Peterson olefination reaction. In sulfur chemistry you will aware of the stable ylide, unstable ylide and which ylide gives which type of product. Stable ylide gives different type of product and unstable ylide give different type of epoxide. In this case you can see this is very important. I think one of the example comes every year in any one exam or CSIR NET or GATE or any kind of MSc entrance like BSU, BHU or Hyderabad School Chemistry. So there is this is a ylide. So it gives this type of epoxide. This is the normal ylide Wittig reaction. This gives this type of olefin. After forming this type of olefin at presence of per acid, it undergo this type of reaction. So this is a one step epoxidation. So therefore it is very important, right? Now you can see further. In this case the ylide is very stable, but this ylide is not stable. Therefore this ylide, stable ylide, give this type of cyclic propane ring, but this ylide gives this type of epoxide. There is a thermodynamical and kinetical aspects for those purpose. I have made a video on that. You can go through that or you can directly read this book. Whatever you do, you have to must cover this topic. This is very important. Similarly in this case, this is also an example of stable ylide. At presence of these undergo this type of reaction, but when there is no olefin, it undergo this type of epoxidation. So you have to know each and every example. You have to make a short note on that. Okay, don't forget to make short note. Okay, so you have to first cover this sulfur, silicon, phosphorus chemistry. Okay, now the second chapter I will recommend the selectivity in cyclic molecule. This is also very important. Now you can see every example is fundamental. In this case, this nucleophile, the H minus is less bulky than this, therefore the stereo selectivity generates. This type of this can come in 2 marks in CSIR NET. You have to know each and every example, go through each and every example, make short notes. In this case there is a very important topic. In this case you can see this is the 96% equatorial attack, where this case 90% axial attack without any chiral reagent. Starting from just this center is achiral, starting from a achiral center, just following the conformational change and reagent selectivity, forming a chiral center. This type of question come repeatedly every year actually. Okay, so go through each and every example. This cyclohexene chemistry, I have make a video on that. You can go through that. Okay, now the third chapter I will recommend the radical reaction. Okay, there is in organic chemistry mainly we will face ionic reaction and radical reaction. Radical reaction is very fast type reaction. Which radical, electrophilic radical, will attack the nucleophilic center, a nucleophilic radical will attack the electrophilic center. How this happens, why electrophilic radical is stable and nucleophilic radical is also stable. Showing a molecular orbital diagram, they have explained each and everything. You can see this is the molecular orbital diagram. They have shown that how a electrophilic and nucleophilic radical get stabilized, and which radical will attack which one, electrophilic radical will attack nucleophilic one. They have also do using molecular orbital diagram. So please take short note and go through each and every example from those chapters. Now the fourth chapter I will recommend, organometallic chemistry. Don't leave a single question from there. This chapter is highly important, very important for you if you are going to give any PSU or MSc entrance. Please go through this chapter. You will get their Hake coupling and how Hake coupling give exceptional product. Those exceptional example are very important for exams. Okay. Now the last I will recommend, asymmetric synthesis. I will not say this is the best book for asymmetric synthesis, but for basic, if you are starting asymmetric synthesis, it will just make you feel love for asymmetric synthesis. Read each and every word there. How they will explain the asymmetric synthesis, you just can't imagine. Here you will learn what is chiral pull, and you will comes to learn chiral auxiliary and many things. Then you will see the Evans-Aldol reaction. This year in 2019 there is in CSIR, NET and GATE also there is this type of example. It is very important. Please go through this chapter. Every explanation, every exception, every example, please go through those examples and don't forget to make short note. I will highly recommend to take short note so that you do not forget before exam, because organic is such a thing, if you just forget a simple point, then there will be a different, R will be S and S will be R, you will forget in exam. So make short notes and clear short notes. Okay, if you say to make a asymmetric aldol reaction, there is so many asymmetric aldol reaction. I can make a video on that. I think it will obviously help you. So please go through 5 chapter and you will end up minimum 4 to 5 question in every year from every MSc entrance examination. And not only that, your concept will be very clean than previous. This is highly recommended. So thanks for watching. Please, if you want any help on any topic, please tell me on comment box. I will make a video on that.